Friends, hope you all are fine. Happy Independence Day to all. As we have completed first 5 questions of exercise 4A, page number 52. Now we will move towards question number 6. We have find the greatest number which divides 2300 and 3500, leaving 32 and 56 respectively as remainders. Respectively means the remainder from 2300 is 32 and remainder from 3500 is 56. So what are the numbers actually? First of all, we find that numbers by subtracting their remainders. Let's have a look. By subtracting their remainders, we got 2300 minus 32 is equals to 2268, and 3500 minus 56 we have 3444. Now for finding the greatest number, we have to take LCM, HCF of both the numbers. First of all, we take HCF of 2268 and then we take LCM of HCF of 3444. So 2268 gives 2 times 2 and 4 times 3 and 1 times 7, and 3444 gives us 2 times 2, 3, 7 and 41. We write all the factors over there, 2268 and 3444. What are the common factors then? 1, 2 is in both numbers, 2, 2, 3 and 7. So by multiplying all the numbers, we got HCF, which is 84. Question number 7, we have a room is 12 meter 15 centimeter long and 8 meter 91 centimeter broad. The floor of the room is to be paved with square tiles. Find the length of the largest tile that can be used. So first of all, we have to change the unit of length, means we have to change the length and breadth into centimeters. For this purpose, as we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, so we change meters into centimeters. Understand? Let's have a look. So 12 meters when changes to centimeter, it will become 1200, and 15 centimeter as it is. We got 1215. The length of the room and breadth is 8 meter 91 centimeter. 8 when changes to centimeter, it will become 800 centimeters and 91 centimeter. So we got the breadth is 891 centimeters. By taking prime factorization of both the lengths, means the prime factorization of length and breadth. Prime factorization of length gives us 4 times 5 times 3 and 5, and prime factorization of breadth 891 gives us 4 times 3 and 11. By writing factors of 1215 and 891, we find out common factors, in which we have 4 times 3. So HCF will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So in this question we have answer of 81. Question number 8, we have find two numbers between 100 and 150 with HCF 24. So let's have a look over it. Let me say that A and B be two integers, then the first number 100 divided by its HCF, it is approximately equals to 5, and then 150 divided by its HCF 24, it will be approximately equals to 6. So we can say that the smallest multiple of 24 is 5 and the largest multiple of 24 is 6. So what would be the numbers be? So the smallest multiple of 24 is equals to A is equals to 5. So we have to multiply 5 with 24, we got 120, and largest multiple of 24 will be B, and we have 6 here, so 6 multiplied by 25 we got 144. So both the numbers between 100 and 150 will be 120 and 144. Thank you students. You have to write these questions on your notebooks and do practice them also. Allah Hafiz.